Art of Thinking Clearly, Rolf Dobley, explain clearly and practically, focusing on cognitive biases, logical errors, and better decision making. This book is essentially a guide to spotting errors in thinking and avoiding them to make faster and better decisions. Note: the book has 99 short chapters, each covering one bias or thinking error. I'll summarize the major themes and most practical biases for everyday decision making. Part 1: Common cognitive biases. Dovely explains that humans often make predictable errors in judgment. Survivorship bias. We focus on successful cases and ignore failures. Example is studying only successful entrepreneurs leads to false conclusions. Look at the full data set, not just winners. Swimmer's body illusion. Confusing selection factors with results. Observing professional swimmers doesn't mean swimming causes the body type. Distinguish correlation from causation. Confirmation bias. We seek information that confirms our beliefs. Actively look for contrary evidence. Authority bias. Giving undue weight to experts even when wrong. Question authority. Verify facts independently. Part 2: Decision making errors. Sunk cost fallacy. Continuing a losing project because of past investment. Focus on future benefits, not past losses. Neglect of probability. Ignoring real chances when making decisions. Consider actual probabilities, not just to vivid examples. Action bias. Doing something just to feel active, even if inaction is better. Sometimes the best decision is to wait. Social proof, copying what others do without thinking. Independent thinking often leads to better outcomes. Emotional and psychological biases. Loss aversion. Losers feel worse than equivalent gains. Make decisions objectively, not emotionally. Endowment effect. Overvaluing what you own. Don't let ownership distort judgment. Recency effect. Giving more weight to recent events. Balance historical data with recent trends. Hindsight bias, believing we predicted events after they happen. Learn from mistakes, not imagine foresight. Part 4: Cognitive traps in thinking. Groupthink, agreeing with group ideas without independent judgment. Encourage dissent and debate. Overconfidence effect, overestimating knowledge or predictive ability. Be humble, check assumptions. Narrative fallacy, creating stories to make sense of randomness. Don't oversimplify events into neat stories. Halo effect, judging someone based on one good quality. Evaluate multiple factors independently. Part 5: Practical thinking lessons. Avoid emotional reasoning and stick to evidence. Make small experiments before big decisions. Focus on long term outcomes, not short term gratifications. Recognize bias triggers and take a step back before deciding. Core lesson: most mistakes come from unconscious mental shortcuts. Awareness plus deliberate thinking reduces them. Final message of the book: clear thinking comes from spotting biases, questioning intuition, and making deliberate decisions. By avoiding predictable mental errors, you can make faster, smarter, and more rational choices.